Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today video I will show you how to set up basic SEO for your blogger. So let's start the class. Open your blogger, go to setting menu, scroll down to meta tag, open this custom report setting, enable header tags. Okay, so enable custom robot header tags and click on the home page tag. Select all and select non-dp, no dp and save. After this, select non-index and no-dp and save. For the post and tags, all, click on all and no-dp and save. So this is the basic SEO setting. First, turn on meta tags when off, then enable custom robot text, and third, enable custom robot header tags. When this step is done, now go to home page, select all and then no dp and click save. After this, go to archive and search by tags. Select non-index and no dp and save. After this, go to post and page tags, select all and then no dp and then save. So the basic SEO setting up your blog is done. It plays a very vital role to improving your blogger for AdSense. And when this setting is done, it's help you to offline and online issue of your blogger and your post. Again, I repeat today class, if you want to basic setup of SEO of your blog, open your blogger, go to settings, scroll down to meta tags, open it, then go to enable custom report tags. After that, go to report header tagger, then select home page tags and then archive and open it. Select these two options, all and no dp. After that, archive and search page tag, select no index and no dp and save. After that, post and page tags, open and select all and no dp. Okay, thus basic setting up your blog is done. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss any updates from my YouTube channel. So these are the basic setting class of Blogger 2023, how to set up a blogger for the AdSense approval quickly. For this purpose, you will create basic pages, just about us, contact us, privacy policy, term and condition, disclaimer, and after that you will go to the basic setting of SEO, which you learned in some moment ago. So thanks for watching. Once again, if you are like my video, share with your friends. Thanks once again.